Morning folks, it's a really cold Saturday morning, and of course me being me, I forgot my coat. But what's warming my heart is this incredible Peugeot 405 GTX Estate. Now, the most incredible thing about this, well, let's have a little look inside and I'll show you what it is. This car came from Peugeot, France. It was recently bought from their collection, and it only has 1,770 odd thousand miles from new. And you know what's more? It's fully loaded with every single option ticked. And the reason for that is it was built as a press car back in January 1995. It is absolutely incredible, the condition of this car. Incredible. Let's have a little look in the boot. I'll show you just how good it is. Anyway, I'm getting ready to take this thing for a drive. Make sure you're subscribed to John's Garage on YouTube, and you'll see the full review coming very, very soon.